This video is about a common error that I encounter regarding autism and school integration. I've had a lot of dialogue with academic and clinical people, most of whom are skilled and knowledgeable, but there are some nuances that might not occur to people if they don't have the experiential knowledge of actually being autistic. In looking at my case history, it might be tempting for some people to say something like this. Cliff didn't integrate well with his classmates because he wasn't processing their nonverbal cues well. I understand why they put it that way, and that is a very textbook-informed way of saying it, but it clumsily misses the point. It's true that by 7th grade, I wasn't well integrated with my classmates. But that wasn't a lack of integration. Rather, it was an abundance of disintegration. And that isn't just semantic wordplay. That actually means something. And it means something big. I didn't meet my classmates for the first time in 7th grade. I had known them since kindergarten. Some of them I knew before that in nursery school. And I can tell you that at age 4 in nursery school, at age 5 when we started kindergarten, we did integrate. We integrated very well. They were just as honest as I was. They were just as genuine as I was. Functionally, we were very similar. We had a high degree of integration. But then, over time, that integration was blown up. I'll give you an analogy to illustrate what I'm talking about. If your car blows up, then you won't have that car anymore. Imagine how annoying it might then be for someone to come along and say, "Oh, I'm a car expert, and the reason why you don't have a car is because you failed to get one." That wouldn't be right. That would be wrong. It would badly miss the point. You did have a car until it disintegrated. And that's the level of difference that I'm talking about. The state of things by junior high was not a lack of integration. It was more accurately an abundance of disintegration. At age 4 in nursery school, age 5 in kindergarten, we did come together. We did integrate. We integrated very well. My classmates were just as honest as I was. They were just as genuine as I was. But then, over time, that integration was blown up. And the content of how and why that integration was blown up, that's the real story. That's what actually happened. That's what informs a correct understanding of the topic. Yet, that is precisely what might be missing from the conversation when people discuss autism and school integration. For more details on this topic and other autism-related topics, you can look at the other videos on the YouTube channel and especially the videos on the Patreon channel. Until next time, live well and discern.